closely. And now let's join Chris Otieno just to break it down for us.
Well, a very good morning, Swila and team from our communication center in Nairobi. It's true I was part of, among journalists who are covering the sports, that is the secondary school games, Nyanza region, and it was largely successful, save for a few incidences here and there, especially one which was witnessed at Mosocho Secondary School's ground. The very first day when Agoro Sare was taking Kisumu Day, that match was not played on that particular day, the opening match, and it was instead rescheduled to another day, actually the following day, because the tension in that particular stadium or field was really palpable, and it forced the security top brass from Kisii County to intervene. I remember seeing the likes of Kisii County Commander Charles Kasses, and together with education officials and even officials from Nyanza Secondary School games who were present on that particular day, and they all were in agreement that that particular match to be rescheduled because of the heightened tension and the cases around insecurity on that particular day. And then we also saw another match being interrupted. That was a match between Agoro Sare and Matutu PAG, which was, marred by chaos at the 75th minute when Matutu was ahead by 2 goals to nil against Agoro Sare. We saw chaotic scenes on that particular day, and that match ended prematurely. Well, during the secondary school games, we also had some schools really improving. A team like Kodero Bara from Migori County, and also we had a team for the ladies soccer, that is Alara, which is also which is from Homa Bay. They really performed very well in their matches because nobody knew that Kodero Bara would emerge winners from that pool, where they were included amongst other team, that is Kisumu Day and also Agoro Sare. And the same to ladies soccer, where Alara emerged victorious throughout their games. So as it stands, Matutu are expected to play finals with Kodero Bara, that is from Migori County. That match is yet to be scheduled because we are told that Matutu PAG players sustained injuries, and that's why they were given time to heal before that particular final is played. So that is what we have so far, and we're still keeping an eye on what will transpire. But really what stakeholders are talking about, issues to do with the preparations, issues to do with security of players, and also the technical bench for various teams, so that they also prioritize their well-being even as this championships pans out in various counties.